So this year mainly about chemistry part, 20% hectic part deleted. There is big advantage this year. What is hectic part means memorizing structures, that formulations, chemistry, everyday life, polymers, and also in case of surface chemistry. So nearly 25% of memory based part is reduced. So comparison to last year, this year, there is advantage because theory part, memory based part is deleted. So there is more chances to logical questions. And logical questions also mainly from the organic part and physical part. Organic part to 50-50, that is 50% is practice, 50% is theory, reading the corresponding mechanism. But any preparation, it is within NCERT syllabus only. No need to prepare out of syllabus questions or out of syllabus mechanisms, no need. Completely from the NCERT only. So thoroughly first you border a bound line for the NCERT syllabus wise and syllabus wise only prepare the mechanisms, properties, structures. For example, organic chemistry part this year, last topic is only carboxylic acid, strength of acids, not having the preparations and properties. But some of them connecting to chapter, alcohol to aldehydes, aldehydes to acids. But mainly concentrate on the structures and also strength of the acids. So like that first within syllabus only you prepare well in the organic part. Inorganic chemistry part only little bit. That is in the first year part classification of elements, main chapter. And one more inorganic part in the first year part is chemical bonding and structure of atom, general chemistry. Second year chemistry means P block elements. It is P block elements given up to preparations properties, means general properties only, not about compounds and compound preparations, compound structures, no need. That means up to allotropy in the each group. Allotropic forms up to each group. That means 12th, 13th, 14th to up to 18th group. So that means general trend increasing, decreasing, where is exception present, no exception, some values memorizing. Example, bond angle of ammonia, like that is memorized. Remaining only order follow, where is increasing, where is decreasing. That is the way of preparation for the inorganic part. Physical chemistry part completely based on formulations. More questions practicing from the reference books, that is study material, and through the question practicing. But formula very less number, how to apply the formula in solving the problem. That is very important in the physical chemistry. So first you list out one chapter, suppose you prepare solutions. Solutions, what are the formulas? And how to apply that formula in solving. Solving also, first main concentrate on the previous questions, last 10 years previous questions. That is enough for the practice of the physical chemistry. Next, if time available, extra time available, then study material. That is in the physical chemistry part. And in case of overall chemistry-wise preparations, don't bother about one or two questions extra syllabus, out of syllabus given questions. Compulsory 28 to 29 questions, 100% within textbook only. So any question may be tough or easy. Don't excite. It is very normal questions only. So don't think that it is out of syllabus, it is too much difficult, it is unable to answer. Everything is easy to answer if you study properly the question given. Because most all 29 questions must be in the textbook itself, but connecting to chapter. That is first important one. So by looking the question, don't bother about the confusion and also excitement. All questions are very normal questions only. Maybe organic part, inorganic. Organic part, confusion about the reagents. The reagents also prepare well according to the same given NCERT well. Don't take the other conditions which are not mentioned in the textbook. Last one question given, Diboll H. Diboll H reduction generally at -78. But NCERT not given temperature, only Diboll H. As ester into aldehyde, that is the answer. But if you check other books, in many other books given as -78 only gives aldehyde. But NCERT not given as -78, given only Diboll H reduction, gives aldehyde. So answer is only aldehyde correct one. So any condition given, to be followed from the NCERT only. Don't follow other books. If that question or concept not there in that NCERT, then only refer the reference books. That is gives confidence. First we have to develop confidence in solving the questions. That is first preparation. First previous questions finished from the organic part and also inorganic part. Physical chemistry part more practice questions in case of this one. So in chemistry point of view also, so those students who will get 100% will be awarded 10,000 cash prize. I hope definitely more than many students, more than 10,000, 10 number of students easily getting. So that is the confidence present here. So that is, and in case of physical chemistry part, that's right, you said always practice, 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 more number of questions practicing. Theory part only inorganic part. That is more number of times reading. Questions less practicing, reading more important. In case of inorganic part, organic part 50-50. 50% concepts and mechanisms and 50% question practicing. Okay, thank you, all the best.
എൻട്രൻസ് സംബന്ധമായ വാർത്തകളും അപ്ഡേഷനുകളും ഏറ്റവും വേഗം ആധികാരികമായി അറിയാൻ ബ്രില്യൻറ്റ് സ്റ്റഡി സെന്റർ പാല യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ അമർത്തുക. ഈ വീഡിയോ മറ്റ് സുഹൃത്തുക്കളിലേക്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് നൽകുക.